Hi everyone, this is the 8th episode of the Digital Marketing 101 series, and it is about the 12 on-page SEO techniques. I'm presenting each of these techniques as individual videos, and this is the 5th of the 12 techniques, and it is about online videos. What are online videos and how to create powerful and effective online videos for SEO? I have said it for many years, and I will continue to say it in the years to come. Video is the future. These days, people prefer to see images. Better still, present the information in a video and they will enjoy watching it. Cisco has reported that by 2022, online videos will make up more than 82% of all consumer traffic. This is 15 times higher than it was in 2017. You see, the reason why videos are so popular is because videos are very accessible. They are easy to consume, it engages the audience's attention, and is able to convey emotions and ideas easily. And videos can contain more information than text and images in a very short period of time. So, because of all these benefits, it has been found that online videos has helped increase the chances of a consumer making a purchase decision after watching a video. Google has found that 68% of YouTube users watched YouTube to help make a purchase decision. Did you know that adding a video to your digital marketing strategy can drastically improve your SEO efforts? Here are some ways to create powerful and effective online videos for SEO. People will spend longer time watching videos on your website. As a result, this increases dwell time and reduces bounce rates. These are both signals to search engines that your page has something of value, and this can increase your chances of your video getting to the first page of search results. On search results, engines like Google will show a video thumbnail next to the search listing. According to Bright Edge, this is done for 26% of search results, and it has been found that users are more likely to click that listing. Your videos has to have content that is interesting and engaging. There's no point creating videos that have very poor content offering. People will not watch, or at most they will just watch for a few seconds, and that's not good for your SEO. One of the ways to have good quality content videos is to answer questions that your viewers may have. When you do this with consistency and provide great value, you can become an authority on the topic of your niche, and you can gain credibility. Search engines will recognize this and boost your pages to higher ranks. As such, Q&A videos are effective for this. Another type of video that can do well for your SEO efforts is to do demonstration of your products. Thousands of retailers are using product videos. As mentioned earlier, Google has found that 68% of YouTube users watch YouTube videos to help them make a purchase decision. You can also do a video that's educational. For example, this video is great for my website in the section where I educate my readers and audience about on-page SEO, particularly how to use online videos for that purpose. All these can boost your SEO efforts and get your website and web pages ranked high. After creating your video, you should publish and promote it. For SEO, it is ideal to publish the videos on YouTube. This is because YouTube is the second biggest search engine. You can earn significant traffic to your website, and it is a powerful branding opportunity. It can also lead viewers to your website. Consider this. YouTube is owned by Google. Google is far more likely to rank videos that are hosted on YouTube. In fact, it has been believed that Google will rank listings that have videos more so than those without videos. After you have published your video on YouTube, it is ideal to embed that video into your blog post or web article. This will improve the ranking of your website or web page. It can even reach the coveted first page position. As such, it has been observed that embedding a YouTube video that is relevant to a blog post or article can help and has helped increase ranking. I know of an internet marketer who experimented with embedding videos. After his blog post reached the second page of SERP, he created and embedded a YouTube video to that same post. The next day, his web page ranking reached the first page. So, remember to embed your video where it makes sense with other relevant written and visual content. The more Google can understand how your video fits into the content on that page, the better your results will be. As such, placement must make sense. For example, branding videos fit very nicely into pages like About Us, Product videos is great for e-commerce platforms, especially on websites' product descriptions. And testimonial videos are powerful and they can work anywhere on your website. When a video is done well, it can generate large number of links to your website. These backlinks can even be from reputable domains. But firstly, your video has to provide value to the viewer. As mentioned earlier, it has to have high quality content. It should be able to educate them or provide useful information about a product. It should evoke emotions, make them laugh, make them cry, etc. So much so that your viewers will want to share your video. When they watch your entire video, this informs the search engines that people find the content of the video of value. This is one of the ranking factors, also known as dwell time. Studies have proven that people would spend over twice as long time on a page with video than without. And when they share your video, it creates backlinks. So the higher the quality of your content, the more likely you are to get backlinks. This is another ranking factor and a very important one too. When you do well with both these ranking factors due to your online video, you can get your website or web page ranked high. So have the keywords that you have chosen in the title tag, description tag, and in the file name of your video. Also mention the keywords in your video content because Google and YouTube have been known to do their best to listen and understand your video. That's how YouTube can auto-create your transcript. Yeah. As such, words like your keywords do get picked up. So to be sure to say your keywords a few times throughout the video content. Also create a custom thumbnail. Use large fonts for visibility on search results. And for your thumbnail, also include the keywords in the file name. For tags, include the keywords within the tags you assign to your video. This includes hashtags. Use your keyword for at least for one of the 3 keywords that you're allowed to place at the bottom of your video's description. Also, try to get as many likes, subscriptions, and comments as possible because this is a big ranking signal for your video content. So encourage viewers to like or subscribe to your video, leave a comment, by mentioning it in your video or using end screens. These 2 features can significantly boost your user interaction for your video, which makes it more likely for search engines to recommend your videos to more people. The watch time is also one of the important ranking factor, especially for YouTube. It's been said that the longer videos have better chances of ranking higher in search results. But these days, people have shorter attention spans. So you may need to keep the video lengths shorter. 10 minutes or less is reportedly the best. But I notice most people watch 3 to 4 minutes of a video, mostly. On passive online revenue YouTube channel, the average watch time is almost just 2 minutes, you know. Do you notice that YouTube also, the videos have subtitles? These are great for SEO. It helps the search engines to know more about your video, how to rank it, relevant to the relevant search query. So include some relevant keywords into the transcript, and that can help your video get ranked. And do as many as possible to get ranked for more than one keyword. On top of this, you can include the transcript of your video into your web page, but of course do this appropriately. For example, I used the transcript of this video on a blog post of this topic. Besides ranking for your videos, you can also use them to increase conversions and as a result increase sales and revenue. Today, more brands are using videos on landing pages as well as pages, other pages on their website. They do this to keep the visitors, to the pages engaged, and ultimately to convince them to make a purchase. When visitors land on your website, you have seconds to impress them and get them engaged. Landing pages with lots of text and maybe a few images just won't do it. But when you embed a video, it has been found to increase the length of time your visitors will stay on the page. And it has also been found to convert many customers. But first, you have to get them onto your landing page. And SEO, and in this case video SEO, can help you achieve that. Have you noticed that search results on Google often show rich snippets? In particular, rich snippets with video. This is what a site with video-rich snippets looks like in the SERPs. Rich snippets are known to have higher click-through rates, and I can attest to that. This article about Kamki Cafe has one of the highest traffic on my travel website. Snippets like this let people know that when they click on the search listing, there is a video for them to view. And it has been found that video-rich snippets have higher click-through rates. This is because a snippet like this can stand out from all the other search results, which are mostly just text. Right? Having a video and a thumbnail makes it more attractive to people doing the search, and they are more likely to click on it. As such, this will increase traffic to your website, and yes, this is one of the SEO ranking factors too. One last tip I give you is to be consistent in producing online videos. Be consistent in the quality of the video and the value of the content, and keep working at video SEO. This can get your videos ranked high, and preferably not just for one keyword, but for as many relevant keywords as possible. As more keywords match the search queries, you can get more people watching your online videos. After you've produced the video and done the video SEO, you will need to distribute it, right, and promote it. This can help with your SEO. You should also repurpose the same content on many other platforms or sites. This will further help you with the success of your digital marketing strategy. I will discuss more about this in a future video, so remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated. Do you have any questions about online videos, or are you already producing online videos for SEO? And if you are, how is it going for you? Let me know in the comments below. In my next video, I will share more about another on-page SEO technique, and that is internal linking. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.